皆さん、こんにちは。今日は私夜ご飯焼きそば作ります。見てください。Everyone, today I'm going to cook yakisoba, which is fried noodles in Japan. It's quite tasty. 美味しいよ。私はあまり上手ないけど、やります。見てください。ダダダダダ。Cabbage. These are the flavors for that yakisoba, the pork, and the noodles. I usually cook an onion as well, right? For yakisoba, I usually cook for tonight and for tomorrow as well, and sometimes the leftover I take it for lunch as well. It's very easy. We can just cook it and store it properly, of course, for the next day. So you don't have to cook. It's quite easy to cook actually. It's also very easy to cook. Just oil, just stir fry, put everything just I think around 15 to 20 minutes. Quite easy. So I'm going to do all those things. Please take a look, right? Cheers. First I'm going to cut onions. I'm not very good in cutting and cooking, but I'm trying. I always try new things. And I think half is enough. Okay, let's go for take this out, but peel it off properly. Good. Done. Now let's cut the cabbage. Great. Then I like to use a chopstick. It's quite not easy though, but I like it. Hello guys, let me try my yakisoba. Amazing. My followers, subscribers, join me. Let's have fun together. Cheers, mate.